Welcome to Switch It Up. This is not one of our normal videos.
It's extra.
This is an extra.
Footage.
This is bonus footage. They're putting up a tent, and we wanted to reach out and share some stuff with you. We're setting up for the Texas Huddle right now. As you can see, big tents coming in, chairs, tables. We don't do anything normal on Switch It Up because Sheila always has a plan. So Camp Finpo.
Oh, this place is amazing. Like, we're gonna do a whole other video on how awesome of a place this is. You can probably see, can you see that zip line?
You got zip line, you got bluffs, you've got this amazing pool, swim up bars. Like, this place is...
the river is right there. Like,
we're doing a lot
that's not what this video is about.
No, you've missed this one and we're sorry.
I am so excited because I love event week. Like, the people are rolling in, we're getting to meet the people, you guys behind the camera right there. We're getting to meet you guys and say hello and get to hear your stories, and I love that part. So
we wanted to share with you that you may have missed this one, but there are opportunities. If you go to our website, gswitchitup.com, Sheila already has these planned out across the United States for the rest of the year.
Let's drum roll it.
And into some of next year.
Oh yeah. You
can come to some of these amazing places that she discovers. So where are these events? Like, kind of give them an update on like when's the next one, where like the next couple months.
So our event in July is going to be in Washington. That is not like a normal park like this.
No,
we're trying to do...
It was hard to get a place on that side.
Yes, and we want to do some more economical locations as well, and so that's going to be at a
But she does have us going whitewater rafting.
Yes, that'll be fun.
It is never normal.
That'll be fun.
Okay.
That's in July. We're going to hit Utah in September, do some hiking. Oh, and did you know the place we're going in Utah is the darkest place in the United States? So we're going to do some stargazing
No, I had no
at
idea.
night. Oh, it's going to be great. And then in November, we're going to go to Telona Ridge.
Yeah, we went there. Our very first huddle was in Telona Ridge. You saw that video originally where we went Bigfoot hunting.
Then February, we're in Florida, and then April, we're East Tennessee, and then in June, we're going to Colorado, and I'm working on the rest of the fall.
For you planners that are out there, go to gswitchitup.com. You'll see a majority of them all posted. She still has to negotiate some other things out before they post. We try to post 6 months in advance to a huddle so you can plan accordingly. That's the goal. And pricing is all over the place because depending on where we're at, depends on catering. And that's a major expense because where we go, we believe that eating together and spending more time together is what builds the community. So all of our huddles have catered meals. And you're not going back to sit in your rig by yourself. We're actually spending more time together. Yes, we are together. And you know, there's expenses like that tent. Yeah, right? That was unplanned, but we adapted. We adapted. Things weren't ready. That's one of the perks of working with our new RV park. But yes, there's always a give back, always meals included, activities included, and then there's some add-on activities. Yeah, so death-defying things like water rafting. We're doing like you're a little dramatic. You don't know. You might fall out. Here we're doing... I might push you out. That could be. Here we're gonna do a really cool thing where we're gonna go float down a river. So there's 200 of us coming to this huddle. We're gonna do this big float trip, which will be, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. Whatever else. We're going to a cavern. We're gonna go, well, it's Texas, so we're gonna do some bull riding and some brewery looking and some yeehaw and we made our own dance. I mean, there's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot of fun. So come to the next one. We'd love to meet you. Check out our website for all the details. There was your bonus video for today. Yeah, bonus. That's good or bad. It depends. If you're new to the channel, check all of our other stuff. If you don't understand what the huddle stuff is, you'll have to go back and find that. But we just wanted to share with everyone that watches regularly what's going on so you can find and come along for the ride. Yes, a huddle is an all-inclusive experience with the Switch. It's an experience at all, right? All right, we gotta go get ready. We have to set up all the tables and chairs. We got more people coming in that we gotta go visit with. Thank you for tuning in. And yeah, this is probably our shortest video that we've ever done. Don't miss them. That's saying a lot. We want to meet you. All right, and we are out. Michelle and Bob Dill from Pennsylvania, soon to be full-timers. We have loved everything about it. It's our second huddle. The best thing about it is the people. Meeting new people, absolutely. And making friends that seem like family. We are Ed and Kelly Della Espriella from Virginia. We just want to say thank you to Todd and Sheila for everything that they do. We had a really great time this weekend. This is our second
Huddle. And our best part again is just the community that they've built and the opportunity to be able to spend time and meet new friends that we were able to stay connected with throughout all of our travels. So thank you guys.